A closed Empower support ticket does not necessarily mean your issue has been fixed. In many situations, it simply means the support system marked the request as completed, because the team believes they answered your question. The case became inactive, or no additional information was received. By the end of this video, you'll know why Empower support tickets get closed, how to continue the conversation, and what to do if your original problem still hasn't been resolved. Start by opening the final email or in-app support message. The closing response often explains why the ticket was closed and may include instructions that still need to be completed. You might be asked to verify your identity, reconnect your bank account, update the app, confirm account information, or provide additional documentation before support can continue working on the issue. If your problem is still happening, avoid submitting multiple new tickets for the same issue. Duplicate requests can make the support process slower because agents may need to merge conversations or review the same information more than once. Instead, reply to the original email if the conversation is still open for responses. If you can't reopen the existing ticket, submit one new request and reference your previous ticket number so the support team can review your earlier case. When you follow up, be as specific as possible. Explain whether the issue involves a cash advance, account verification, bank connection, transaction history, repayment, or another feature inside the Empower app. Include the exact error message if one appears and attach screenshots that clearly show the problem. Specific details help support understand what's happening without asking you to repeat basic information. Before reaching out again, make sure your Empower app is updated to the latest version. Check that your internet connection is stable, and verify that any linked bank account is still connected correctly. If you recently changed your banking information, phone number, or email address, mention that in your message because it may be relevant to the issue you're experiencing. If support originally requested documents or additional information before closing the ticket, send everything they asked for in your follow-up. Completing those requests often helps move the case forward more quickly than opening an entirely new conversation. To recap, a closed Empower support ticket doesn't always mean the issue has been resolved. Read the closing message carefully, continue the existing conversation whenever possible, and provide clear details if you need further assistance. As your next step, gather your previous ticket number, screenshots, and any error messages before contacting support again. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other Empower troubleshooting tutorials.